Our black rechargeable airbrushes are now back ready for pre-ordering. Looking at beginning of December 4th, week commencing the 4th of December to get these sent out to you. Just a quick video here showing how to use it. So just screw the airbrush onto the compressor and choose which capacity fluid cup you want. So we've got a 10mm, we've got a 15mm, or we've got the larger 40mm. Going with the 15mm one here. So you just screw it into the top of the airbrush like so. And you want to add the product that you want to spray through the airbrush. So in this case, just doing a demonstration, so it's just water that we're putting in. Put the lid on top just so nothing spills out. Turn the airbrush on, so that automatically just gets the flow of air flowing through it, not the liquid. Liquid only comes through when you pull the trigger back on top of the airbrush, as you can see here, being sprayed onto the paper towel. If you want to adjust the spray to make it finer or more product coming out, just twist the dial at the end of the airbrush, and in this case we just made it a bit finer so it's better fit more intricate areas. Turn it off and you can pour away any product that you haven't used, put it back into its container. And then what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to clean out any product that is still in the airbrush. So just get the paper towel, turn it back on again, and then just spray out any excess product that is left in the airbrush. What we also do is we also dab the end of the nozzle with the tissue just to make sure there's nothing left in there.